Rounding cycle. Select the F5 icon. For this operation, we will be using outside turning. You can select that with the half key. You can choose between convex or concave rounding. Use the half key to toggle, and we will be using convex rounding. We will be using a vertical entry of compensation and a horizontal exit of compensation. And the turning area that we will be working in is in the Z plus quadrant. Define the part. XI, ZI is the starting point of your X and Z coordinates. In this example, we will be using X.48 and Z0. R is the radius, and in this example, we will be using 0.24 inches. Safety distances will be set to 0.1 for X and Z. Defining the machining conditions, we will be using CSS with a maximum spindle speed of 1500 RPM in a clockwise direction. Define your roughing pass. F is the roughing feed rate, and in this example we will be using a value of 2 thousandths per rev. The surface speed will be 300, and again using tool 1 and offset 1. Our delta for this cut will be 75 thousandths per pass. Define the finishing pass. F is again 2 thousandths per rev, surface speed of 300, tool 1, offset 1, and you have a choice of single residual stock or two different ones per axis. We will be using one. And the amount of finishing stock that is going to be left on for the finishing pass will be 5 thousandths. We will be machining along the Z axis. Simulate the program. And save your cycle to your part program.